Hello, each and everyone. I'm Noor, and today we're going to learn the first Arabic letter, which is Alif. If you've already seen my latest video on Arabic alphabets and how to pronounce different Arabic sounds, so I assume that you're ready for this lesson today. Okay, so we're going to learn how to write Alif letter. So, as you can see, guys, this is Alif. So this is Alif, and this is another Alif. Alif written in this word Asad, Asad, which is a lion. Arnabun, Arnabun, which is, as you can see, a rabbit. And now we're going to learn how to write them. I'm going to erase those because I was already filming that video. Sorry, guys. So, we're going to draw a vertical arrow like this and a semicircle on the top and a little line like this. So, this is the way we draw or write Alif letter. And now we're going to write it in the normal way. This was just to show you guys how to write it. Okay, in the normal way, a vertical line, a semicircle on the top or on its head, and a little line. Let's repeat it again. Vertical line, semicircle, a little horizontal line. Write it again. Horizontal line and like this. Please bring a pen and a paper and try to write it along with me. This is so important, and please try it, guys. Oh, okay. If you are writing on a notebook, guys, try to make the line, like this line, 3 squares long. Like not the huge square on the notebook, but those little lines. And the semicircle and this little line, try to make it just on 1 square long. Oh, don't panic, guys. I'll try to prepare a PDF for you so you can practice your writing skills easily. And there is a quote saying, if I can remember, practice makes it perfect. So guys, try to practice as much as you can. This is like so easy, but it needs practice also. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to write it down on the comment sections or on my Facebook page, Learn Arabic with Noor. Okay, so I hope that I will see you next video, guys, and goodbye. Love you.